Ta-da! Here we are. Graduation day. Unit 12. It's our last unit in Book 3. And Unit 12 is about aliens and UFOs. First, let's look at our words. Claim. Claim 하면 주장하다라는 뜻이에요. 그래서 전 UFO 봤어요 라고 주장을 할 수도 있잖아요. Claiming that you saw a UFO. UFO 안에 타고 있는 외계인이죠. Alien. Okay? Meteorite. 운석인데요. You can only see meteorites maybe once or twice. If you're lucky in your life, they don't come often. So if you get a chance to see one, you should take that opportunity. Meteorite. Microscope. Microscope 하면 현미경이잖아요. Microscope. Micro 하면 작은 거니까 그걸 볼 수 있는 것. Microscope. Fossil. 바로 이런 것도 볼 수 있잖아요. Fossil. 화석. 아주 작은 것들. Okay, you can see a small fossil from a plant or something like that through a microscope. Fossil. Next word. Even. 예상 밖에 놀라웠을 때 쓰는 표현이죠. 뭐뭐해도 라고 얘기할 때. Support 하면 우리 뒷받침하다. 우리 엄마가 저를 support 하잖아요. 학교도 보내주고 맛있는 것도 먹여주고 예쁜 것도 입혀주고 학원도 보내주고. Our parents support us until we become adults. Remain 하면 남아있는 거죠. Remain. Exist, 살아있다, 존재하다. Exist. One point lesson. When you emphasize something surprising or unexpected, you can use even. For example, Mr. Hoover wrote an essay about tiny fossils and even included pictures. Many scientists don't believe Mr. Hoover. Even NASA refuses to support his claims. even은 예상 밖의 놀라운 일에 대해서 나타날 때 표현이죠. 그러니까 뭐뭐해도 라는 의미로 쓰이는 표현인데요. 예문을 통해서 한번 볼게요. 후버 아저씨는 Mr. Hoover 아주 작은 화석에 대한해서 에세이를 썼는데요. 심지어 그 사진도 포함시켰다라는 뜻이죠. 그래서 원래는 그냥 이 의미는 그냥 에세이만 쓰면 되는데 그만큼 노력해서 사진까지 포함시켰다. Mr. Hoover wrote an essay about tiny fossils and even included pictures. Wow. 많은 과학자들은 후버 아저씨를 믿지 않았다. 심지어 나사도 그의 주장을 지지하기를 거부했다. Many scientists don't believe Mr. Hoover. Even NASA refuses to support his claims. All right, this time, listen to a lecture. This woman is talking about Richard Hoover and his controversial discovery.
Okay, class. Today, we will continue our unit on space with something a little different. Do any of you know the name Richard Hoover? He has been in the news and claims to have discovered aliens, tiny ones right here on our world. He is a NASA scientist. He was studying a meteorite, a rare rock that comes from space. His meteorite is the kind that used to contain lots of water. While he was cutting apart the meteorite, he looked at some pieces with a very powerful microscope. That is when he discovered tiny fossils. The fossils look just like earthworms. Mr. Hoover wrote an essay about it and even included pictures. He may be the first person to ever see aliens. The alien bacteria fossils he found look like similar bacteria that live on our planet. Mr. Hoover is very excited by what he found. He says that life is everywhere and that life on the Earth may have come from other planets. But not everyone is happy with Mr. Hoover's discovery. Many other scientists don't believe him. Even NASA is refusing to support his claims. Until other scientists get to study Mr. Hoover's meteorite, we will have to wait to find out. So the question still remains. Do aliens really exist?
Now tell me about Richard Hoover's controversial discovery. When Richard Hoover was studying and cutting apart a meteorite, he discovered tiny fossils. He thought he had found the alien bacteria fossils, but the fossils look like similar bacteria that live on our planet, and many scientists don't believe him. 은석을 연구하면서 잘라보았을 때 리처드 후버 아저씨는 아주 작은 화석을 발견했어요. 그는 자신이 외계 박테리아 화석을 발견했다고 생각을 하고 그러나 그 화석은 지구에 있는 박테리아와 비슷해 보여서 많은 과학자들은 그의 말을 믿지 않았다라는 뜻이죠. Alright, you guys, as I said earlier, you've come all this way through 12 units, and this is the end of Book 3. But it's not over yet. Just because you finish a book doesn't mean you should put it away. Be sure to go back and review everything you learned, and try reading the lessons out loud with a big voice, okay? You did well, and hopefully we'll see you in another Mccowell series, a skill book series. Good luck with your English studies. Bye, everyone.